Hello boys and girls, back with another Worldly Wise video. This is Worldly Wise Lesson 11 test on Google Forms. So this video will be posted in the Google form along with the word list. So just like in the past, you use the word list here in the video to help you answer some questions. What I'm going to do is read the questions aloud and the choices, and that way you can stop and play this as often as you like and then make your choices as you listen. Okay? So number one, an annual holiday comes twice a year, once a month, on a weekend, once a year. I'll read that again. An annual holiday comes twice a year, once a month, on a weekend, once a year. So you can stop me and then decide what your choice will be. Annual, I would look up the word annual to help you make your decision. Okay, number two, to blend butter, eggs, and sugar is to bake them, mix them together, measure them, keep them refrigerated. I will look up the word blend to help you make your decision. Number three, when two singers' voices blend well, they sound exactly the same, sing low notes well, sing high notes well, or go together well. Same thing, I will look up the word blend to help you figure out what the right choice should be. Number four, to bore a hole is to dig one with a shovel, fill it in, make one by drilling, make one by sawing. So once again, I will look up the word bore to help me figure out the meaning and to figure out what the best choice should be. Number five, to bore someone is to hire that person to do a job, tell that person a story, help that person, tire that person by being dull. I will look up the word bore to figure out what the best choice should be. And remember, words have multiple meanings. So what bore means in number five may not mean the same bore in number four. So look up those meanings carefully, boys and girls. Number six, a considerable amount of money is not enough, the amount someone has saved, a large amount, just enough. I will look up the word considerable to figure out the best choice. 7, crude oil powers cars, has not been refined, is a salad dressing ingredient, powers airplanes. I will look up the word crude to help me figure out what the best choice should be. And remember, boys and girls, you can stop this video and then answer the questions. That way you can follow along. Number 8, a crude drawing is colorful, carefully made, a charcoal drawing, or roughly made. I will look up the word crude, and remember, crude has multiple meanings just like other words do. Number 9, a price increase is the opposite of a price drop, a moderate price, a fair price, a ridiculous price. Opposite, meaning not the opposite meaning of increase. So I will look at the word increase and figure out what the opposite of that means, and then figure out which choice fits with opposite of increase. Number 10, a peach tree's yield is the farmer who planted it, the amount of fruit it produces, its height, its flowers. I will look up the word yield to figure out what the best choice should be. Number 11, to vary the way you dress is to plan what you will wear, take good care of your clothes, wear different outfits, dress sloppily. I will look up the word vary to figure out the best choice for number 11. 12, a visual clue can be heard, seen, smelled, tasted. I will look up the word visual and figure out which is the best choice here. 13, a vision of the future is a great-grandchild, how someone imagines the future. A time machine, someone who predicts the future. I will look up the word vision to help you figure out what the best choice should be. Vision. And remember, vision can have more than one meaning. 14, when I was sick, my appetite evaporated. In this sentence, evaporated means grew stronger, was hard to satisfy, grew simpler, disappeared. Evaporated in this sentence may mean something different than evaporating water. So once again, look up the word evaporated to figure out the best, to help you figure out the best answer for this choice, for this question. 15. Which provides nourishment for honeybees? Rain, smoke, stingers, honey. Look up the word nourishment to help you make the best choice. 16. How often will a high school print its annual? Once a month, every 6 months, once a year, every 2 years. Look at the word annual to help you make the best choice. Annual. 17. What happens to water when it evaporates? It freezes, it melts, it turns to vapor, it turns to mud. Look up the word evaporates to help you make the best choice. 18. Maria and her mother planted annuals in their garden. How long will those plants live? So Maria and her mother planted annuals in their garden. How long will those plants live? 1 year, 6 months, 3 months, many years. Look up the word annuals to help you make the best choice. 19. Which of these people is most likely a bore? Eric, who has an interesting family. Fiona, who tells funny jokes. Gita, who tells dull stories. Or Harold, who is a fascinating speaker. Look up the word bore to help you make the best choice. And number 20, which of these yields milk? A drinking glass, a baby, butter, or a cow? Look up the word yield to help you make the best choice. All right, boys and girls, good luck with Worldly Wise, and I'll see you later. Bye.